Hello, hello from South, not Finland, South France. This time, I'm in France now for a work trip, and yeah, it's my first time in France, and I brought my camera also to record some wildlife here when I have time in the weekends. So I'm here already for 2 weeks, and yeah, it's my first time in France, and I'm amazed with the nature here, at least in this part of France. Now I'm nearby the lake, and this is just so close to my hotel. Last week I saw the heron here and some duck species, and of course small birds, same like in Finland, same ones like blackbird, like some pigeons, and of course sparrows. And yeah, and last week with my colleagues I had time to we had time to go to some mountain, really high place. It's like 1,400 kilometers. I don't remember the name, but first time I had chance to record. I think it was red kite. So yeah, amazing birds. I'm interested to see the heron again here, because last weekend I was not so close. It was on the other side of the lake, and it was like focused lake to catch some fish, or I don't know, maybe frog, I don't know. So I think I will wait some more time and try to see it, and if I can I will record the lake, because I saw many times the big fish, I don't know its name, but it's really big one, and it's always jumping over the water. Yeah, now I saw again. So I will try to record that if I'm really lucky. And yeah, let's see. Now the grey hero just fly from this direction to there, and on my side it landed behind those trees there. So I can't see now, but I will try to sneak and get closer. I believe it is the same one which I saw last weekend. So let's see, can I get close? very hot, 35 degrees today. I'm really shocked that I was watching some birds like grape in the lake, and there are many also gray herons. So in the sky, as always, around this area at least, there is always some red kite, and I think also black kite. I'm not sure because I didn't photograph it yet before. They look so similar, and because of the harsh sunlight I cannot really identify. Again now. So I was saying that I was watching other birds, and then I started to film red kite or black kite, I'm not sure, because it was very close to lake surface. Then it started to like make circle over lake, and then try to dive and again up, dive and again up. What is it? Is it fishing also? Then suddenly I believe that I didn't check the video yet. One more time, I believe that it catch some fish. I don't know, are they really, or I didn't know that, are they really fishing, or well, maybe it is easy place because I see also small fish all the time jumping, but I'm very surprised. And then I start to watch them, like watching osprey. Then other one also, just a few minutes ago, other one also picked something from the lake, but I start to record after it left. But well, amazing place. At first it was so hot, and it was very silent. I thought okay, there is nothing here to record. Then I decided to have a sit here. Then I start to watch around. I believe also there are many, I'm not sure, is it egret, wild egret, but some birds look similar to them. So yeah. Whew.